The reason why many people don't make it in life is that they give up so easily. See, me, I'm a practical example of it. There are so many things that I did before that I was not consistent in it, and then I did not end up doing it well. See, in this life, you must be consistent for you to be successful in anything you are doing, no matter any field that you are. Money is not the problem. The problem is that you are not consistent in what you are doing. You jump from one thing over to another. Me personally, as is talking to you now, I was once a victim of it. I did affiliate marketing, I did forex, I made some millions in it, and then suddenly I made some mistake that all my money went down. I did so many things. I did so many things, even video editing. I run ad for Facebook ad for people. Yet I was not consistent in it. See, talent is not enough. I know so many of you have talent, but then you're not consistent. If you want to be successful in anything you do, you need to be consistent in it. Yes, you need to keep on showing up. There are times that things will be hard. There are times that you want to give up. Yes, it is. Those successful people that you see today that are successful, that have built billions of dollar worth of company, they started from fresh and they passed through so many things that they have some doubt, they have some fears, but they keep on showing up, they keep on doing the things that matters more, and at the end of the day, their company grew. Yes, it took years. Success was not built overnight. It took time for them to build the company, the brand in which they are. So my advice to you is this: do not give up in anything you are doing. If you're a YouTuber, a small YouTuber growing your channel, I know there's a lot of things that small YouTubers face, especially going to check your analytics to see how many views you've gotten, to see how many likes you've gotten, and your no subscribers. Please do not give up. Do not give up. Keep improving in any of the videos you published. Keep improving in it. It doesn't matter the niche you are. Keep improving, because the more you improve in quality of videos, the more you improve in your video title, your video thumbnail, the description, the more you are giving the algorithm the data that it needs to be able to push your videos to other people. So don't ever give up. Mr. Beast that you see today, that is the highest YouTuber on the whole world today, he started with 0 subscribers, and can you imagine that it took him 2 years, 300 videos to reach 1k subscribers, and now you want to make you want to get 1k subscribers in 1 month or 2 months? Yes, it's possible, but then keep on showing up, keep on improving. The more you improve in anything you are doing, the more you are going to get better. Don't ever give up in anything you are doing. Be consistent in it, because when you are consistent, you will see what works and what did not work, and you keep improving. And when you are improving, you are learning, and when you are learning, you are adding more experience to the things that did not work before, that actually you've discovered that did not work, and then you tweak it a little. That is improvement. If you can improve 1% in any video you make, or any career at all you are and you're doing, if you can improve your 1% in it in a day or in a month or in a week, then you are compounding all the things that you've learned, and in the future it can yield benefit for you. So don't ever give up in anything at all you are doing in life.